Hello everybody, and once again welcome back to How to Guide YouTube channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how you can change TikTok region, so make sure you follow my step till the end. First thing first, I assume that you already have an account in TikTok and already logged in, and now right after that you'll be able to see the interface of TikTok apps on your screen, where you can see profile icon at bottom right corner. Just tap over there and now you'll be redirected to your profile page, where you can see menu option at top right corner. Just tap on it and now you can see settings and privacy option. Once you click over there, you will be redirected to the another page where you can see account option at top. Just tap on it and now you can see user information at top. Once you click over there, you can see account region. Just tap on that option and now you can select or change your TikTok region over here. So basically this is how you can change your TikTok region in TikTok app, and if you should encounter any issue during this process, feel free to leave a comment and I'll be happy to assist you. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and if you are new to this channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button and set the bell icon to on so that you can stay updated with our latest content. Thank you for watching and I'll see you next time.